Hi everybody. Well, we have some more changes here, but I have a little bit of a problem with nematodes. Let me show you here what happens right there. You can see kind of the knots, which is right here. You see it. This is a Thai mulberry that I took out. It had kind of gotten a little less vigorous. This is the reason. It's the nematodes, which can do a lot of damage, and mulberries are susceptible to it. So I gotta see what I do here with this. I might just get rid of it, and maybe I get a couple cuttings and grow it from there. Might be able to grow it in a big pot to avoid getting in contact with contaminated soil. It's another option. You want to, keep the area, when you plant your trees, obviously water it well. Make sure it has good drainage, though. Proper drainage is important. You need to, fertilize it. A good thing is to mulch it. That helps with the nematode problem. But there's a lot of stuff online you can read up on it. It can be a problem with certain trees, obviously with the mulberries. I did read also that the Illinois variety is more resistant to the nematodes, root knot nematodes. So that's the problem I have with that one. Now I have the other mulberry that I have. That's the Everbearing, the tree was looking great, but I dug it out, get some cuttings, and put it maybe somewhere else, because as you can see here, it had thousands of fruit. It was fruiting like unbelievably. Let's see, it was right there, and I took it out because of the fact that it was staining everything. This is where, a walkway, so it was getting to the point I was kind of getting my feet all stained and going inside the house with that, and so I figured, I need a spot where there's grass and, it's not a walkway, because it was just getting crazy with, and how it was staining everything and me having to clean it all the time. So I'm like, hate to do it. The tree really, this was a great spot for it. It was doing really well, but it was just getting to be a problem with the staining. So if you're going to plant a mulberry tree, you might want to keep that in mind, to plant this in a spot, where it doesn't stain as much. Or get a variety. I think like certain varieties don't stain. Some of the white ones and stuff, they don't stain. So you could always do that if you don't have any other space. Otherwise, plant them in a space, in an area that you don't need to really walk by and deal with that.